Oftentimes with analysis of variance, you're giving a partially filled in table. You need to figure out the other numbers so you can answer the question. So what are we given here? We're given a null hypothesis that suggests that there are 3 samples. The alternative, of course, never changes. It's always that at least one is different. And what we want to have when we're done are the degrees of freedom and the test statistic to fill in this box, or these 3 boxes. And we're given the numbers here. Recall that whenever you have 2 of the 3 numbers in any column or row, you can always get the third with a little simple algebra. So obviously 500 plus something is 4,502. That's pretty easy. This is just 4,002. Oftentimes on exams, they make the numbers such that if you don't have a calculator, you can still answer the question reasonably easily. Now, what about this? Well, we can get that a couple of different ways. Let's get it the easiest way first. We notice that there are 3 samples. That means k equals 3, and degrees of freedom are k minus 1, which is equal to 2. So that goes here. And 2 plus something is equal to 89. Okay, we can do 87. The other way to do this is to realize that 4,002 divided by some value is equal to 46, which would give you the same answer. Either way works. 500 divided by 2, of course, is 250. So 250 divided by 46 will be 5 and a small little bit left over. Let's just quickly grab a calculator and figure that out. So we have 250 divided by 46, and we get 5.43. We'll just call it 5. Now, we're just going to call it 5.43 because it really doesn't matter. We're not using that particular value in this question. So how do I answer the question, what is the distribution of the null hypothesis, or pardon me, distribution of the test statistic under the null hypothesis? Well, that's what's going to go up here. We have 2 degrees of freedom in this cell. We have 87 degrees of freedom here. And over here, we have 5.43. And that's all you have to do for this style of analysis of variance question. This ends this video.